What is up, guys? Again, welcome to DaVinci Resolve 16 101 editing tutorial. In this video, we're showing you how to make amazing videos so that your viewers can enjoy watching them. In this next video, I'm going to show you how to add circles to your video. Okay, if you're ready, let's hit the start button. Welcome to my DaVinci Resolve 16 editing tutorial here again, once again, guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add these amazing arrows like this. Did you see that? Amazing. I want to add an arrow. So adding some of these symbols like cycles enhances your viewership and gives an emphasis on some point you want your viewers to focus on. Okay, so how do you add these cycles? Now, if you don't have these cycles, please comment with send me a circle on the comments below, and I'll surely reply back to your message with the link on where to get some of these transparent circles. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. So how do you add these circles? I have my circle on my media pool on the top left corner of my DaVinci Resolve. Here it is. So just drag it and drop it right here on my video. Once I drag it, highlighted it, come to the top right corner of inspector, click on inspector. And then of course, what do I want to highlight? I want to highlight the black bag on the left side of the person on my video. So I just come here, reduce the size first of all, X, reduce it. That's good. Then drag it using my Y-axis. Like that. Very simple, guys. Come to position again, Y, drag it down like that. Boom. And you have highlighted that bag. I can increase the size just to make sure you get however you want it, like that. Now in this, I'm just going for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you how to do it. Already it's very simple. Just add the cycle on top of your video, then use zoom and position to change the position and the size of your cycle. Okay, so let's see the effect of this new editing feature. There you go, guys. There you have it. There you have your cycle exactly emphasizing on that bag that we want to emphasize on. Now, guys, once again, I hope you've gotten some value. I hope that you're going to become better at editing your videos. And if you have, please don't forget to subscribe. We like people who subscribe to our video and our channel because we are doing a lot of research to create for you this amazing videos so that you can become better at editing your videos and your viewers can enjoy watching you. Comment with send me an arrow, comment with thank you in the comments below, and I'll surely reply to as many comments as I can. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.